Hello, welcome back to my channel Moniverse. So today we are going to see the conversion from binary, octal and hexadecimal system to a decimal system. So for this, now let us see some strategies behind converting. The first thing is every number will be having two parts, the integer part and the fractional part. And here both the parts will be treated with the same calculation rather than from converting any number to decimal, we have to deal with the integer part and the fractional part separately. But we have to do the same thing for the integer part and the fractional part in this conversion. And the things what we have to remember is the face value, position value of a number. So let us consider a number 52.123, which is a decimal number. So while we are considering the face value, each digit will be called as each digit in the number will be called as the face value, right? And for considering the position value, before the decimal point, the position starts from 0, 1, and it will be continuing as 2, 3, etc. as the digits in a number will be going on. And after the decimal point, it will be considering from -1, -2, -3, and it will be going on. And here, as it is a decimal number, the base value is 10. So you just want to keep one formula to remember everything. That is the face value. Face value will be taken from this one, right? And the base value is from which number system we are going to convert it into a decimal value. So imagine that if you want to convert it in from binary value, here the base value will be given as 2. Okay, and position is nothing but the value what we have written for each digit, okay, before, by considering before and after positional value of a number. So now we can see an example of converting the binary number into its decimal equivalent. So first we have to list out the position of each digit in the binary number, right? So after and before the point we have to consider. So the position before the point will be starting from 0 and it will be continuing as 1, 2, 3, etc. And after the decimal point, it will be starting from -1, -2, and it will be going on. Okay, so now our number is 110.0101 to the base 2, which we are going to convert into decimal, which is we can say it as base 10, right? So for every time during the conversion, we should remind about the formula face value into base value to the power of its position, right? So we know the face value. So let us consider, so this will be considered as the face value, right? Face value of a number. So let me take for the first number. So the face value of the number is 1 into the base value. So as it is a binary number, the base value is 2, right? So into 2 to the power of position. The position value of 1 is 2. Likewise, we have to consider for the next number, the face value is 1, 1 into the base value, it's a binary number, so 2 power, the position will be coming here, so it is 1. Next, for the third number, 0 into 2 power 0. Now coming after the decimal point, face value of this number is 0 into 2 power the position value -1. So likewise, we have to write it for everything, right? So, so let us see the conversion of binary to decimal number. For an example, 1011.11001, right? So I'm going to write or split the number and write it off as per my convenience. So now we have to remember the formula, that is the face value into base value to the power of position, right? So now let me write the position of each number. So before the decimal, it starts from 0, 1, 2, and 3. And after the decimal, it will be going with -1, -2, -3, and -4, right? So now we are going to convert it. So let us consider I have made out the calculation over here. So for 1, it is 1 into, as it is a binary to decimal conversion, 2 to the power, and the position of this is 3, right? So to the power 3. And for this number, that is 0, 0 into 2 power 2. And for 1, 1 into 2 power 1. And for this one, it is 1 into 2 power 0. And coming to the number after the decimal, 1 into 2 power minus 1, 0 into 2 power minus 2, 0 into 2 power minus 3, and 1 into 2 power minus 4, right? So now by reducing the calculation, I'll be getting as 1 into 8, 0 into 4, 1 into 2, 1 into 1, and after the decimal point, 1 into 2 power 1 minus 1 can also be written as 1 by 2, and 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 4, and 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 8, and 2 power minus 4 is 1 by 16. Again, reducing the calculation, 1 into 8 is 8, here 0, and here 2, 1 into 1, 1. Then this one will be coming as half. As it is multiplied by 0, both the values will be remaining as 0, and it is 1 by 16, right? So after adding, I'll be getting 11 plus 9 by 16. So this can also be written as 11.5625. Now this is the converted value of 1011.11001 to the base 2, right? So this is the answer. So hope this method is actually pretty easier than converting from decimal to any numbers, because here the formula is single for both the integer part and the decimal part. So now we can see converting from octal to decimal number. So again, putting on the formula, hope you remember it. What is the formula? Base into base to the power position, right? So now I'm going to write the number in my convenience, 24.36, which is an octal number. So it can be written as, so before that, shall we see the position? So here it is 0, here it is 1, and here it is minus 1, and it is minus 2. So as it is an octal to decimal, we are going to put the base value as 8 here, right? So 2 into 8 power 1, right? And 4 into 8 power 0, 3 into 8 power minus 1, and 6 into 8 power minus 2. So by reducing it, you will be getting this value. And finally, you will be getting the answer as 20.4687 to the base 10, the converted decimal number, right? So shall we go for the next calculation or conversion? So converting hexadecimal to decimal value, I'm going to consider this example, 4D.21 to the base 16. I'm going to write it as per my convenience. So here, once again, hope you all remember the formula, base into base to the power of position. So let us write the position for this one. It is minus 1, minus 2, and here is 0, and it is 1. So as it is a hexadecimal number, we have to find the base. Base is nothing but 16, right? So in this formula, we'll be putting 16. So 4 into base is 16 to the power of position is 1. Likewise, D into 16 power 0 and 2 into 16 power minus 1 plus 1 into 16 power minus 2. By summing up all these values, so I'll be getting 77.1289 to the base 10. Hope you all have understood. Just for converting from any number, so any number system directly to decimal number, just remember this formula. It's very easy, right? So thank you guys. Hope you all have understood the conversion from binary, octal and hexadecimal with a single formula, face into base to the power of position, right? So in the next video, we can see the other conversions. Thank you for watching.